And I got to say, I am surprised. We're back to spooky Crocs, and this time we have the Friday the 13th. Now, if you haven't checked the other videos out of the other horror Crocs that did just recently release, the winner of the box, we got to give it to it and Pennywise here. This is by far the best, definitely a winner. They took it home there. So let's get into the Friday the 13th Jason ones. I am surprised. I didn't even consider picking this one up. The only one that I was really excited for was the Freddy Krueger one, because that's probably, you know, my favorite movie of all three of them. But this one right here, the execution and the details on the Jason Friday the 13th Crocs, man, these are really good. And I think what I like the best about them is kind of like this creamish kind of off-white color, and the fact that it's just kind of mixed up into like a black and a red. I guess the red is supposed to be, you know, hits of blood, but I really like these and am digging them a lot. And you could also, these are very dressable to where you could wear these with a lot of different outfits, you know, different sweatpants, whether they're heather gray, black, kind of just some casual outfits, you know, most likely when you would wear a pair of Crocs. Let me check this other one out. Like I'm not a big fan of Jason. Like, the guy can't swim, so you know, why am I supposed to like a guy that can't even swim? But yeah, speaking of swimming, you know, there's a little gibbet there for Crystal Lake. He doesn't like that place. Inside the left shoe here, we have Friday the 13th. Pretty big looking knife there. Hockey mask, you know, Jason there. The man himself, just like on all the other pairs. And we have another kind of big butcher knife on this one, and the hockey mask. I think the hockey mask is the nicest touch there. But this is kind of one of those Crocs that, like, if you just took all the gibbets out, that it's actually a very good looking pair. So yeah, once we get those out, it's actually a pretty interesting, unique Croc that we have there that, once again, like I said, is pretty wearable on a day in, day out basis. And now seeing this Croc in person, I get to why of the three, this was the one that was selling out the quickest in most of the sizes. And if you are interested to any of these, if they are by chance in stock, you know, be sure to click right here, and also in the description below, click here first to shop the items to see where they're available, whether that's Crocs, if they do some type of restock with Halloween approaching, and also Foot Locker, Champs, Kids Foot Locker, you know, any select retailers. And then I'll also leave some affiliate links in the description below. Be sure to check those out, you know, if you can find these in stock. But yeah, just let us know your thoughts on the collection down below. I love the Jason pair. It's by far my favorite. I've said that about a billion times. But if you enjoyed this video, we're always making videos like this here at Sneaker Huddle. Be sure to subscribe, and we would love to have you as part of the Sneaker Huddle family. And thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Sneaker Huddle, and we'll catch you in the very next video.